Hello everyone, let's reveal Kiyo.AI, which is a dedicated doubt-solving assistant and an AI chatbot. So let's start with unpacking the extension. So as we see that extension is being loaded, let's bring this extension first and go to mang.in website. Let's see how it goes. So let's say we go to a problem mm, replacement, let's say. So first, as we see that there is an AI help button added on the screen. It is it changes when we change the mode of the website, and it can act accordingly. So it works. So first we have to set an API key. I have already copied my API key, so I will just start with saving it. And let's start chatting with the chat box and ask how he is. So as we see that a response has been generated. Hello, I'm Q. Your question. How can I help with the replacement problem? So it straight away tells us that it has the context to the problem. Let's try to take it out of context. I want to create a recipe. I'm sorry, but I can only assist with the question. So it denies, and it is because of the prompt that it is given that you are dedicatedly uh, solving the problems of the user only. So let's try to ask something related to the problem. Print a number n in a array. Okay, so it the question is basically replace every positive number by one. So it is a very fairly easy question. Let's see how it tells. I am unable to approach the problem. Please help me. Okay, let's tackle the replacement problem. Already handles the input and iterates to the array. Can you tell me what part of process are you finding it difficult? Is it the logic? Okay, so it already tells me that my code is correct. Okay, let's move to a different problem where, like, I have solved all these problems. Let's move to a problem which I have not solved. Okay, any problem would work. Let's say I don't even know how to solve this problem, so it would be more helpful. So, hello, hello. It seems you're working on this problem. Okay, so straight away it identifies that I'm on this problems page. Uh, let's ask him. Let's write some. Okay, first ask him some questions. I am unable to think of the approach. Please suggest me. How can I sort this? Okay, अच्छा तो it basically provides us the hint. Let's try and ask him for the code. Please give me the solution. Okay, it provides a very big solution. Okay, it is a fairly I think it would be some difficult problem. Like it would require a lot of thinking. That's why it has provided a lot of data about how to implement this, like data structures, queues, and a lot of things. Okay, let's say okay. Let's see if it is interactive or not. Great, let me know if you have questions. So it is interacting with the user. Let's check if it has context to the previous messages. What was my first message? Your first message by hello. So it correctly identifies that my first message to him by hello. Uh, how are you? Let's try to take it out of context. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How is your progress? Okay, so he's aware that I have already asked him the question, and now he's asking that how have I proceeded. And he's also asking that, is there anything else I can help with? So tell me the PM of New Zealand. Let's see if it answers. Acha, so it has denied. So we have successfully checked. So I've also added a function like it stores the history whenever we do that. It stores the history, and we have an option of clearing the history. It stores different history for different problems page. Like we can go on a different problems page altogether, and it will show nothing. Like if we have chatted before, then only it will show. Like it is showing nothing. So hi, let's go to the previous problem again. I think it was mobile notifications. Mobile notifications. So it would render the chat which we had previously done with him. Okay, so it is generated. We can clear the chat. It will be cleared, and we can also switch between the dark mode and the light modes very softly. Let's try to see the interface. Yes, so it seems you're working on this. Okay, so it again starts with the initial, and I think it is somewhat different from the last prompt that we had got. So this was more of a explanation of the entire project I have done, and I have added certain functionalities like the data is being stored in the Chrome storage and accessing each time. I have tried to make this visually appealing by adding the image of the user and also certain things which can be tested accordingly. I think that's it for the project, and so it was my first project. A lot of thanks to Lakshay, Algozenit, Vivek Gupta sir for providing me this opportunity, and it was a very great learning experience making this AI chatbot all by myself and taking the help from internet obviously for development reasons. So thank you so much. Let's hope it goes out well.